If you want to set up a 1v1 match in Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, start from the main menu and open the Play section, then select Custom Game. Choose Create Online so you can invite your opponent. Next, create a new playlist to control the rules. Give it a name like 1v1, then add a match and pick your map. Smaller maps such as House or Clubhouse usually make duels more intense and fast-paced. Once the map is selected, adjust the settings to fit a proper 1v1 format. Set the total rounds to around 6 or 10, and shorten the operator pick timer to about 15 seconds to keep momentum high. In the game mode settings, reduce the prep phase to around 15 to 20 seconds. You can leave the action phase at default or lower it slightly for quicker rounds. Bomb and secure area are typically the most balanced modes for head-to-head matches. After saving your playlist, create the lobby, choose the server with the lowest ping for both players, invite your opponent through the social menu, assign opposite teams, and start the match.